Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards, Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So we will leave it here. And one card from the fortune cookie deck. So that will be your lucky inspiration for today, Sagittarius. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies. We will leave these cards here. So Sagittarius, today we have Hangman, Four of Earth, Three of Air. So today in your circumstances, maybe you are in a lot of confusion, doubts, a lot of stress. You don't know what will happen, the way things are going. Something is not right, something is not happening as expected. And today you are quite confused, doubtful, you don't know what will be the right action or what will be the correct thing to do today. Maybe you are facing a lot of stressful circumstances, and you are trying to find that peace of mind or that balanced outlook on life today. So Sagittarius, if you want harmony and peace of mind today, you need to let go of your expectations. Maybe you have huge expectations for something to unfold today. It may be something in your work or it may be even in this relationship. You are having huge expectations about this person. You believe them to be a kind of person, but in truth, they are something different. And you are finding it really difficult to understand their differences. So they are a unique person, just like you are a unique person. You need to understand that. And maybe when two people are in a relationship, lot of compromise and lot of understanding is required. So today there may be some difficulty in that. That may be the reason for some negative circumstances today. And whatever you do, whatever you try or however you try, you are not seeing the required changes today. So maybe for some of you Sagittarius, when things are not working according to your expectation, though you are trying really hard, praying or wishing for certain things, when things are not happening as you had hoped for, it is time for you to let go of your expectations and surrender to whatever is happening today in your life. And you need to understand that maybe today you may see some negative circumstance. Something is not working, some kind of a rejection, maybe something may get, there may be some obstacles in this relationship, some problems, some misunderstanding, arguments, whatever negative things you are experiencing right now. You need to understand that this is something that is happening, but it is not going to last forever, and even this circumstance will definitely change very soon. You need to understand that. So, this is not the end of things, Sagittarius. This is not the end of anything. So, you need to have faith, have hope for a better future, better changes, and trust in the divine order of things. The way things are happening is for the best for you. So, whatever is happening is for the best. So, something good is happening here today. There is some kind of a rearrangement. Maybe today it is causing you a lot of pain, but it is happening for a higher good in your life today, Sagittarius. So, let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's 5 of water. So with this card, maybe this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So this may be the time for releasing all the negative emotions, maybe whatever you have towards this person. It is not going to take you anywhere, all your negative thoughts or your negative feelings. So if you step into that forgiveness, energy of forgiveness, things are definitely changing for the better, and you are going to feel so much better, and you will no longer feel sad or stressed. So you need to give up all the resentments, regrets you have, and feel positive no matter what your circumstances are today, Sagittarius. So that is the energy here with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, Sagittarius. We have 5 of fire. So today in your work circumstances, you are working as a team, building a strong team force, working together with people who have similar goals and dreams, and you are happy for the ideas you are getting from people, suggestions you get from them, and you are working together as a team. And maybe people may have a different perception, their views may be different, the way they work may be different, but still you are trying to find that balance, and you are building that team spirit today in your career situation, Sagittarius. So that is the reading here with these cards, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today. Not fortune cookie, guys, before that the message from your person. A lot of signs are pointing to you lately. So maybe this person is away from you, but still they are thinking of you. And if they are in this connection with you, still they are thinking of commitment or marriage with you, Sagittarius. So that is the energy here with these cards. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for you all today. Your lucky inspiration, travel. Long distance communication will open up your life, exciting experiences for singles, and career advancement for others. So a very good positive card here today, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Sagittarius. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.